Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here today, my name is Ben and this is my 1992 black Mazda RX7 FD here. Now I posted up a recent video of a walk around of this RX7, explaining to you guys of all the bits that I've bought for it over the last 9.5 years. And then I mentioned that in the future there's going to be plans to go single turbo conversion on this car. Now I've always focused more on the outside and the inside first and tried enjoying the car as it is, and luckily, touch wood, it's still running fine. I'm still attending shows in it, etc, so that's good. But I want to start buying all the single turbo conversion parts, or just start somewhere, so all the little niggly bits I'd rather start buying now. But I'd like to share it with you guys what I'm buying, what the brands are. If you're another FD owner, I'll be interested to know if you've had any bad experience with any of the parts that I'm revealing in these videos, so feel free to comment, and I might have to change some bits. Now this box here behind me, this has got various parts in, so this is the first what's in the box video today. Now all the bits in that box is from a company called Motorsport. Now they are very good, however they've moved on to bigger and better things as a business, so I'm extremely lucky to get the last of the anodized purple bits that's in this box. These pulleys here, they're all from Motorsport. All these bits in this box is the exact same purple colour as those, so that's going to match really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip past all the unpackaging process of this box and we'll just get straight on with telling you guys what's in there. So we'll do that now. Okay, so this is the contents all out of the box. So we'll start with this item over here. So this is an anodized purple turbo trumpet housing. So what I need to do in the future is get some black mesh to mesh all these sections out here. Also, I don't actually know if this is going to fit my turbo setup when I do buy it, so if it doesn't I might have to sell this yet, but I've kind of bought it for a good price and just thought, well, if it fits then happy days, but if not then I'll just sell it on. But either way, it does look really good, so I'm kind of hoping that does fit, to be honest. Over here is a secondary fuel rail, so this upgrades the stock fuel rail that's currently underneath the plenum on the RX7 FD. In the future, what I do need to buy for the secondary fuel rail is some black AM fittings which are screw in the side here, some black braided hose, and then a fuel pressure regulator which I need to go from the other end. So that's all, again, things in the future which I'll be buying. This down here is a primary fuel rail which sits underneath the secondary, so this just actually replaces the stock primary rail. Now the injectors for these, the secondary rail needs some 1700cc injectors for the turbo setup I'll be going, and the primary can stay stock, I believe. So what I'll do is I'll look into that a bit more when it comes to it. Moving on over here, these are just the legs for the secondary rail. This here is a sensor holder which is just by the crank pulley, like literally to the right of it. So it doesn't actually do anything, it's just for looks, to be honest. Just two sensors that go in those holes there, and then two screws in the little holes. So these over here, these are blanking plates when you start ripping out the twin turbo setup. I know where this one goes, but I think these are something to do with the air pump removal when you start doing that. I guess I'll find out when it happens. Last but not least is these heater dial knobs here. So what I do want to do with these is get some new badges made to go in the center here, because I think normally they have something etched or engraved in here, but as you can see these are just plain. So I'm going to get some badges done which will probably be black backgrounds with the gold Affini badge in the middle, or silver. I've not decided yet, but either way it's something else to do and fit, so I'll get that videoed as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this box. As I say, keep an eye out for the next lot, because there's a lot of parts I need to buy to do this single turbo conversion, plus there is other items I want to buy for the car anyway. I did say in the last video I'm still waiting for 3 items to come from Dominican Republic, the carbon fibre parts. So if you're interested to see what that looks like, keep an eye out on the channel. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please hit it, and keep an eye out for the next load of parts that I'm buying. I will mention as well, I'll just turn around here, this stock bonnet on the RX7 will be changed to a feed style bonnet, which is 2 vents which go around the top here, and then the bottom stays stock looking. So the plans for that is going to be keep it color coded on the top, but when you lift the bonnet it's going to be 2x2 twill carbon fibre, so that's very different. Quite looking forward to that being custom made. Again, it's from the same guy in Dominican Republic, so Unfortunately, it's going to be a long wait, but the wait is worth it because his work is absolutely phenomenal. So again, keep an eye out for that as well. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. As I say, these are the first items I'm buying, so this will just be stored away. To be honest, I can fit these heater dials somewhere, so I'll probably put a video up on that being fitted and with the new badges that I was on about. So keep an eye out for that. But other than that, thank you for watching as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.